DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good, you two? You know what time it is, man. Yo, that mafia, you see what I do today. We're back in the building with a crazy reaction. And you see what I do to them. Yo, what go on? Collab them just been getting crazier and crazier in dancehall, man. And the one here, I'm happy to see this one. You know what I'm saying? This one is a very good look. Yeah, man. First it was Dull Color. You see me? Which I ain't hear nobody talking about like that, but that was a surprise. You feel me? That was Popcaan and Vybz Kartel. I was surprised after these years seeing Vybz Kartel and Popcaan on the same track. But today I'm even more surprised, dog. You see me? Today we got Popcaan, Fivio Foreign, and Vybz Kartel on the same bumper-clad track. You see me? I say, yeah, man, the world boss, the unruly boss, and I said the Fivio boss, but you don't know. But yeah, we're there with Fivio. You feel me? And it's a good look, bro. I never expected this collaboration, but yo, I like it. I like the moves like this being made in dancehall and in music overall. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I like the one, man. So we're not gonna go up with vibes much longer. We're just going to get right in the track, gang, because this is a good look. You feel me? This Popcaan, Fivio Foreign, and Vybz Kartel, the world boss. Tequila shots. Come on, gang. Let's get this shit. Tequila shots. Oh, God. Which is right. Like that, man. Kubatija. Yeah, man. Tequila shot with a little piece of lime. Love how the girl them bubble and a wine. Yes. I love that. Yes. I love that. We know business on us. Yeah, man, I love when woman shake up them bum. Hey, come on. Line up, watch how you talk, pussy, we get binds up. Fresh pair of night, me no beat, no designer. Pretty bad bitch from North Carolina. Me feel like a drone, like a pilot. Oh, that's easy. Me like how Popcaan start off with vibes. You see me? I say, yeah, man, that's my dope, gang. No cap. Like when start off one. Give me a second, gang. I'm sorry, no something. My bad. Come on, let's get it.
Like me when I'm drunk, so I get that jump in. I mix the perky with the liquor, now I'm ready for. I see them niggas in this party, I'ma let it off. So if them boys stay home, they be better off. You see them girls with them guns, they gon' set it off.
Yeah, say if I see them boys in the party, I'ma let it off. So if them boys stay home, they be better off, boy. You feel me? It's better if you left a man in your yard, woman. You know what I'm saying?
I mix the perky with the liquor, now I'm ready for. I see them niggas in this party, I'ma let it off. So if them boys stay home, they be better off. You see them girls with them guns, they gon' set it off. I really mean what I say, it's not a metaphor. Give her a little bit of money, then I let her ball. I put my money on the guys, I bet it all. Yeah, she tryna caress me.
Hey, come on, man. I put all my money on the guys, I'ma bet it all. You know what I'm saying? She gon' man, I like this. You know what I'm saying? Fivio kind of slid on this bitch. You know what I'm saying? I was wondering how he's gonna fit in on the track, but he actually vibing. You know what I'm saying? Him rapping actually vibing on the song. No cap.
Put my money on the guys, I bet it all. Yeah, she tryna caress me. Percocet is kicking in the party, looking sexy. Every time I'm turning up, she'll text me. Do what you do to me, baby, make it messy. I ain't even know the bitch, but she already met me. She don't know my name, she just noticed my protectee. I'm a demon, you get me.
She don't know my name, she just noticed my protectee. She saw the jewels, she saw the watch on the wrist. I said she have to, she have to get it a kiss.
She already met me. She don't know my name, she just noticed my protectee. I'm a demon, you get me? Yeah, I could only be myself, it's how you gotta accept me.
Easy.
Tequila shot with a little piece of lime. Love how the girl them a bubble and a wine up. Touchy eye with your base spaceship. Line up, watch how you
like this, Poppy. Popcaan, the unruly boss, yeah, man, G. This is a vibe. Girl, man, I love that, man. Melody King. Lina. Lina.
Me feel like a drone, like a pilot. You me feel like the moon and sky.
No touch me bumbo clad cup. Me I like when the sound buzz. See I'm so
Come on. The teacher just jump in. No touch me bumbo clad cup, my youth. Me like when me high like when tune boss you. Hey, come on, we better put some respect on the teacher name, bro. Come on, gang, come on. Teacher
touch me bumbo clad cup. Me I like when the sound buzz. See, I'm so. Palm me waist, me gun talk. Your girl that asks me what.
Bokla, we love that, you know, man.
What's up? Me say, me need me dick forget up. No, cause I'm a big bad and
right now, me need it.
boy, them not fi rate us.
The man said, me need me forget. I want to you, man, brawling.
Talk. Your girl that asks me what's up.
Damn,
Me say,
you get a shake with your
dick
fuck.
forget up. No, cause I'm a big bad and tough. Boy, them not fi rate us.
Why does she look like Taboo?
I'm up a Jubilee. Me a star, so me shine, so me fully clean.
Excuse me. Why does she look like Taboo or a motherfucking or The Office? Bless you.
Me one key like bully beef. Girl can't pack me things and say fi leave. My wife come from overseas. Yeah, only like she am a Dover bees. The style so sick me coulda make disease. Certified, yeah, you best believe.
The man said, yo, my girl come from overseas. When dog say like honey, she a fight to hold on, me pull them on the mouth, man.
Bees. The style so sick me coulda make disease. Circle fry, yeah, you best believe. Pour me a drink, my papi, please.
Tequila shot with a little piece of lime. Love how the girl them a bubble and a wine up. Touchy eye with your be a spaceship. Line up, watch how you talk, pussy you will get binds up. Fresh pair of night.
Watch out your talk, pussy, you will get binds up. Hey, me tell you, say Popcaan I Melody King, you know, bro. I don't give a fuck what y'all say, nigga. It's not all my things I when I sing enjoy them, but Popcaan, bro, Melody King, bro. When it comes to melodies, bro, Popcaan me give.
We be a spaceship. Line up, watch how you talk, pussy you will get binds up. Fresh pair of night, me no beat, no designer. Pretty bad bitch,
Dirty girl star.
Yeah, me feel like a drone, like a pilot. Yeah, me feel like at the moon and the sky.
Star Dawkins probably gonna see some cuss my ass out. You power ass nigga! Hey, yeah, go ahead. That one Stardust don't cuss me out. My tune, man. It's a melody, bro. Star Dawkins for the season. You power ass nigga in this little ass room can't call me dirty girl. You can't. Big up Star. Boy, let's see. Yeah, man, mama. Bumbo clat, man. There's just something, man. God know what I do when he make. Don't chat. Listen, man, if it's still. Gang, let me know what y'all think about that one, man. Mad tune. Shout out to Bombard, Popcaan, Fivio, Foreign, and the world boss himself. One of them Tequila shots. Yeah, man, that's a vibe, man. I like that one. That's definitely a vibe. No cap, no cap, no cap. That's a vibe, gang. You see me? They did their thing. I was kind of wondering how Fivio gonna fit in on it, but he did. He slid in, did his thing, and it's a vibe, man. No cap, bro. I like how they all came on the track cohesively. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Don't know where about to slid on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, it's a vibe, gang. So if you like, go show the artists all over sport, make you know it's a Jambisco dance channel. Also, gang, let me know what y'all gonna react to next. Drop it in the comment section, and I'll definitely get it done. Also, gang, make sure you join the Discord. You live over there. You can talk to me directly, send me videos, all that good stuff, man. We're lit over there, so join the Discord. Become part of the latest gang, part of the little mafia, part of the latest family on YouTube, man. You already know you don't want to miss out, man. And you don't know, we're gonna keep the reactions coming, and we ain't gonna stop. You see me? I say, go to 10K, 100K, million. We're not stopping. You don't know, it's about Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.